Today's chapter 8, social and family disorganization. I think the topic says it all, but the meaning of or the definition of social and family disorganization says the lack of organization between members of a group. Because it's an organization, it has to be a group, let it be a family group or um, any institutional group. So when the group doesn't agree to the topics discussed, or mutually they are engrossed with something, and when the mutual disagreement happens, that's called social disorganization, and that's when many of the institutions get dissolved. So example of any companies taking Kian, can you go inside please? Go. Example, any of the companies, when the company is going in a proper manner, when all the members are giving specific tasks or specific roles to obey, and when they have conflicts in between each other, the the company suffers heavy losses because of very minute factors, and that's why sometimes the company dissolves, or they go into big losses. Same way for families as well. So the decrease of influence of social rules, it says the decrease of influence of social rules of different members of a group. Example, any family. A family, when they are influenced by each other, like role models, we usually have role models from our family, sabse pehle. So when the role model is not anymore a role model, you don't get influenced by them. Rather, if they are into wrong habits, you go into wrong habits, same as them. And that's why the family also dissolves, or they get separated, or they don't agree to each other on many terms. Then they say the social and family disorganization characteristics. They say what are the characteristics of that. So conflict of they are into four parts. Characteristics are into four parts. Conflict of institutions. Unity is the core for any organization. Anything social unity, social organization is only through bonding and only through agreements of each other. If there are no agreements, it has to be going into disorganization. Then the next is personal individuation. Everyone wants. Okay. Personal individuation is very simple. I, taking my own example, I know I'm good in sales. I have been doing it past 10 years. I'm into sales. Now, taking this situation of COVID happening, I know I can't be into sales. I am not in touch with any of my customers. So, I am doing what I am liking right now. I am into baking because it's my passion, but I'm taking it forward to that way. But disagreements happen, as if the disagreement is happening from the family, that why you're not concentrating more on online and going into this new line, which is completely new and taking time to set. Simply, this is the disagreement of family members and me coming in between, that I am trying to set up my goal, finally going to the passion. But yeah, it's a disagreement, and that's why disorganization is happening. Sometimes this happens, disorganization. Everybody wants to do what they want to do in family. Every four family members in one family, everybody is having, you see, in the day of Diwali, simple, every year Diwali, after the puja, after the khana pina, everybody is only looking into phones and checking their kya message aaya hai, iska kya message hai, iska kya photo hai. This is all what is happening. When at least on the special days, be together, celebrate together, talk to each other, but no, everybody has different TV in all their rooms. So everybody will watch only their single things. In my family, there is a rule. Every home, although there are four homes, four brothers has four different homes, but there is only one TV in all the homes, that is only in the living room. If you have to watch the TV, come in the hall and see. Nobody is allowed to go in the room and see whatever it is. This is the time till 11 or 10, whatever. घर पे बाहर रहोगे, उसके बाद अपने रूम में जो करना है करो. But TV is only in the hall. So at least by this way, you are having some unity. together, you have some talkings, you have share of your words. If there are no share of words, usually people in families, they make their own, what do you